Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're gonna change the battery in the smoke detector. Most of the smoke detector is 9-volt battery. How do you know that you need to change the battery in the smoke detector? It's when the smoke detector is making this sound. This particular smoke detector got a battery door. I'm going to remove the battery. You can see the diagram, plus minus, inside the battery compartment. Make sure you got plus and minus at the correct polarity. Insert the battery, close the door. Certain model of the smoke detector don't come with the battery door. In this case, you would have to open it, twist it counterclockwise, and you will see the battery or the battery door on this side of the smoke detector. Then you reinstall it. After you change the battery, you can test the smoke detector by pressing this button. If it's making sound, that means the smoke detector is working. This is Legacy Handyman. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.